Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2023 Tesla Model Y. Pretty much the same externally as the 22s and 21s, but what they did do on it, besides what we did to it with the Clearbrow, is they got rid of all the parking sensors. That is probably one of the nicest things. It's cleaner. Obviously the cameras up top and everything else around it can do all that, but they're gone, so no worries about do you trim them out, do they block anything, and Tesla's saying that you can't put PPF over them and all those problems. No more parking sensors. It makes it a beautiful thing, so good move. And without further ado, let's go over the PPF. And the way we do it here at Clearbrow, North Dallas is we do it so you don't know it's on the car. So all these edges, they're all wrapped in. And that's it, simple as that. We take the time, we do it right, and you don't know there's any PPF on this car. This is a full front. I may have said full car, but this is a full front. And this is the door not wrapped. This is the fender wrapped. So paint protection film's here, but not here. You don't see any difference. Now keep in mind, over time, you need to keep up this unprotected paint because that's what's gonna get dirty and dingy. The film will always look good and the car will look brand new because the paint underneath is what's protected. So coming around, we are known for wrapping all this in around the light. Do not leave a line here with PPF. You shouldn't have a line terminated there. You want to wrap all that in. You want to wrap in the bottom of this fender because all the debris and rocks are going to skip on these edges. So if they're not wrapped, you're going to have chipped edges. And trust me, it happens. All this is the frunk. Here's our windshield, our hood. That's all wrapped in, no lines, perfect. And this hood, we polished this down to get rid of any of the dust nibs in the paint that we could, and this one turned out really nice. Tesla has a little bit of issue with debris in their paint, but a lot of times we can remedy that, and sometimes you just can't. The T's removed, so we have no lines around it, so you won't have dirt congregating there. We wrap in this toe area, this cap gets wrapped in, and we wrap inside there so there's no line. Everything else is wrapped in perfectly underneath all the way around. And that's it, just a really nice job. Mirrors, fully wrapped around. The edge, fully wrapped around. I don't cut up top here. And then we did the doors for this gentleman. We ran a strip all the way along here. On the Tesla Y, because this flares out, there's a lot of debris that hits here. So we took a piece of PPF and we custom do a piece that goes all the way up here to protect this. And then we threw in a trunk strip for this gentleman for loading. It goes all the way across the back. And that's about it. So 23 Model Y, full front with some rockers. And the headlights get done, the fog lights get done. And everything's seamless. It doesn't look like there's any film on the car, and that's what you want. You want to make sure that your install's wrapped around those edges. And it's guaranteed 10 years, lifetime installation warranty. So if that edge were to have any issue, bring it back, but they do not. I guarantee you they don't. People that say they do is because they cannot wrap it. They don't know how to wrap it. So those that can't will talk about it in a negative way. We can, and we have done it for 30 plus years. So Clearbrow, North Dallas and Argyle, Clearbrow, North Dallas and Carrollton. Argyle is where all our clients come. Carrollton's where our dealers go. So give us a call. I'm Brent, 940-703-8301. And clearbrownorthdallas.com for any other info. Appreciate you guys watching. Take care.